Hi everyone, this is Josh from Vmaker. Welcome to a new video. I'm excited to let you know that you can now integrate Vmaker with GitHub, GitLab, and Jira. If you are a developer or lead a development team, you can accelerate code reviews and make development faster and efficient using Vmaker. To use Vmaker on GitHub, GitLab, and Jira, make sure that you're on the latest version of Vmaker. You can update Vmaker by clicking on the Chrome extension, click on the settings, and check for update. If you are on the 1.3.0 version and above, you can use Vmaker on GitHub, Jira, and GitLab. If you're not on the latest version, you'll be able to see an update button over here. Click on it and Vmaker will automatically update itself. Once you're done updating, you can open any of these platforms and open a project, and you will be able to see the record using Vmaker button on the comment or preview section. So here you can see I have a record Vmaker video button. When I click on it, the Chrome extension will launch itself and I can start recording a video. Once you're done recording the video, you can click on Insert Recording and the video will get inserted into the comment section. You can use this for code reviews and feedback and accelerate your development work. Isn't that pretty straightforward? So go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can drop in a message in the website live chat. I'll see you in another video. Cheers and bye.